Hi everyone, welcome to Conys Art. Today I am going to show how to make a Christmas gift box. So let me show the project first, then I will tell you what are the materials required. Okay, I have already saved this project, so I am going to my stuff projects, and it was in under my projects it was there. It was a Christmas gift box. The original image is these two things. I just resized according to my requirement. So I am giving the customization. If you see, the size of them is like 15 cross 26 centimeter, which will be a little bigger, but I want mini gift boxes, so I just resized them according to my requirement. So once this has been resized, we need to do the print and cut method in Cricut. So let me show what are the materials required for this one. Mat, brayer tool, scraper, weeding tool, and scoring stylus. So these two are optional, but the scoring stylus is mandatory to so for that foldings and the photo paper and our Cricut maker 3. So let me show how to do that one. So my printer is already on, and I resized this one. I have some spaces in between, so I just wanted to fill these embellishments. I am giving make. So these are those tiny stickers which I am trying to print, and this is that actual bigger size one, and these two are the my requirements. I just resized to fit into a single sheet. So I just move this up, and I will fill these things in the same sheet because there is some space here. So I am just trying to fill here. So you can see the image is little smudged. It's not actually smudged, it's a bleed, where you can on or off for the print and cut, but I always on that. So that extra, if the cut is little disaligned, the bleed will help us to bring the full image. So this is what I said, and give next. Let me switch on the machine. Once I switched on the machine, it will come here. Select an accessory. Yeah, it prompted. Just choose that one. It's loading to the next. Once you give the make, it will come to this page. Print on. I already switched on my printer and kept the photo paper. Let me show. Send to the printer, and next it automatically selected my printer, and it will load to choose the paper. The paper size is A4 and the media quality is, I am going to choose the glossy photo paper and best, and I am giving print. I will pass here. Once the photo paper is ready, I will show you. So the print has been done. Now I have to stick this sheet in the mat. So always check for this arrow mark. It should be on the top side. So straightening the mat. Now the material which I am going to choose is a medium cardstock. Then since it's having that scoring stylus work, we need to give edit tools and choose a scoring stylus. Continue. That's it. Now load the scoring stylus in the A clamp. It's asking to insert the mat. Insert the mat and give. So it measured the mat first, then once you give go, it will check for the sensors. Sensor will check these lines and will start the cutting. I will show once the cut has been done. So the cutting has been done. Unloaded the mat. This is what I did. And the remaining boxes. Okay, now it came out cleanly. So you can see the folds here. Just fold the okay. So now the box has been, the folds has been done. Just we need to glue them. Just lock them. And here it goes. So we need to just glue everything. The only corner you have to glue here, or you can lock without gluing like this. You can keep small chocolates or candies inside this one. So I glued both the boxes, if you can see, cute little ones. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you like this mini gift boxes.